You are welcome to Tutoring Tutorial Center. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, ensure that you do that right now. Today wants to continue with logarithm as a topic and wants to evaluate and find the value of x. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure that you do that right now. We have log base 10 of 10 raised power x is equals to 3x plus 2 and wants to solve and find the value of x. According to the law of logarithm, we are going to have 10 raised power x and this base 10 here, will raise to powers 3s plus 2. So we are going to have 10 raised power 3s plus 2. And according to the law of logarithm, this base can eliminate each other. So we are going to have s is equals to 3s plus 2. We can collect like times. So we are going to have s minus 3s is equals to 2. Then we are going to have minus 2s is equal to, and s is equals to minus 2 over 2. Therefore, s is equals to minus 1. Let's solve question 2. We have log base 4 of s plus 3 in bracket of s minus 3 is equals to 2. According to the law of logarithm, we are going to have s plus 3 in bracket, s minus 3. Then this base here will raise whatever that we have here to power. So we are going to have 4 raised power 2. Then we are going to open the bracket. Open the bracket. We are going to have s squared minus 3s plus 3s minus 9 is equals to 4 raised power 2 will give us 16. Minus 3s plus 3s will give us 0. So we are going to have s squared minus 9 is equals to 16. We are going to take this minus 9 to the other side of the equation. We are going to have s squared is equals to 16 plus 9. S squared is equals to 25. And for us to find this value of x, we are going to take square root of both sides. So x is equals to, s squared is equals to 5 squared. So power will eliminate power. Therefore, s is equal to 5. Let's solve the third question. We have 2 log base 6 of 9 minus log base 6 of 54 plus log base 6 of 24. According to the law of logarithm, when we have plus, we are going to multiply. But before that, I want us to take this 2, which is at the back of logarithm here, back to its original position here. So we are going to have log base 6 9 raised power 2 minus log base 6 of 54 plus log base 6 of 24. Then 9 raised power 2 will give us 81. So we are going to have log base 6 of 81 minus log base 6 of 54 plus log base 6 of 24. So according to the law of logarithm, so we are going to have log base 6 in bracket of 81 times 24, because this is additional sign and this one is division sign, divided by 54. And what we need to do here is to reduce it to its lowest term. 9 here will give us 6 and 9 here will give us 9. 6 here 1, 6 here 4. So we are going to have log base 6, 9 times 4 will give us 36. And 36 in index form is 6 raised power 2. Then we are going to have 2 log 6 base 6. And don't forget that in the law of logarithm, when the base and the logarithm are equivalent, it's going to give us 1. So we are going to have 2 in bracket of 1, which is equals to 2. Thank you.